Today, I wanted to show you what my friends at 1TG Tactical sent to me. This is their long gun case. This thing is amazing. They sent it to me to take a look at. Now, I already have some products from 1TG, and I can tell you that they're known for making some great quality stuff. This bag's really no exception, folks. This is awesome. I am in love with this thing already. Let me walk you through some of the features. So you've got your plastic snaps on the front that we're all familiar with. You've got pouches on either side. These are going to hold your PMags perfectly. I can tell you that it'll hold 2 PMags in each one of these from my experience. And then you've got the same on this side as well. Now on the front of this, look, you've got some hook and loop at the top. If you want to put some Ranger eye patches or you want to put your name badge on there, whatever, with hook and loop, that'll get the job done. And look at all these MOLLE attachment points. So if you have other MOLLE attaching pouches, you could build out any kind of kit that you wanted with this. So it's fantastic. If you open up this front area, now these zips are all ultra smooth zips. They have paracord pulls on them, and they've got shrink wrap tubing around the edge. Just gives you for a nice comfortable feel. If you were wet, this is really going to help you with pulling this, and it's going to keep these knots from coming undone. Now when you open this up, on the back side of this flap, you've got another zipper area pouch, which runs the whole width and bottom of this. So you can put some nice stuff in there. I've put my ear protection and my eye protection in there just so I know that I never forget them. But you can put some things like if you're going to shoot some targets or whatever, some tape, markers, whatnot. More hook and loop closure. Now, whenever I go to the range, I like to take multiple firearms with me. So some of those will include handguns, and I'll use a hook and loop holster to hold those here. And you've got some great elastic kind of cinches here for your magazines to go in. So fantastic pouch right there. Again, so we zip this up. Now you've got your more plastic clips that are going to secure the bag all tight together. There's a Velcro grab handle that comes apart. And now double zips going down the side, which is going to give us a great lay flat design as we go through. So this will totally clamshell wide open. You've got your typical long gun case that you're looking at here. So you've got 2 straps that are going to allow you to secure the main body and the barrel. You've also got your buttstock catch here. And then you've got some, now these aren't elastic, but these loops down here will help you secure other items as well. Then you've got a nice padded divider, which is going to allow you to carry 2 firearms, 2 long guns without them bashing together. Same thing on this side. You've got a buttstock catch. You've got your straps for security. But check this out. These come undone. This case comes with these. So these are elastic, almost like a MOLLE type attachment. But you can use these to hook on these loops. Also on the front side, whatever you want to secure those loose items to keep them from bouncing around. So that's not all. We're not done yet. This bag, again, like I said, it is full of features. Let's take a look at the backside. So we've got another zippered pouch here. So whatever you want to carry, maybe you want to put your wallet in there, your ID or whatnot. But then you've got a pull handle at the top. So if this is how you wanted to carry it, or hidden away in here, as you can see, you can hide them completely. But hidden away in here are backpack straps. So if you're hunting and you're going through the woods, you can put your guns on your back, be able to carry, have your hands free for your, your nice coffee or whatnot, and then be able to go about your business and go where you're going to go. Again, just super, super high quality. Now, one little tip I'm going to give you. Little secret. So I know you're going to be excited whenever this thing comes in the mail for you, but don't go hog wild and rip open the box, because if you look in here, and you guys won't be able to see it, but they've given you targets that are printed on the inside. Just something really cool that I think is a good sign when you think about the quality of a product or how far they go to take care of their customers. 1TG Tactical is the place to go. So make sure you check out this long gun bag. You won't regret it.